Hey kids! Let's have some fun drawing today! Are you ready to draw a cool car? We'll show you how to do it step by step. Get your pencils and paper ready, and let's begin. Start by drawing the roof of the car. Draw two slightly curved lines that connect at the top. Draw the bottom of the car by drawing two parallel lines that are slightly longer than the roof. Draw the wheels of the car. Draw two circles that are roughly the same size and position them at the bottom of the car. Add smaller circles inside for the rims. Draw the windows of the car. Draw the bumper of the car by drawing a curved line at the bottom of the front and back of the car. Add the car's headlights by drawing a rectangle at the front of the car. Add a smile to the car to make it more cheerful. Now it's time to color your car. Red. Yellow. Blue. Gray. Wow, that's great! We successfully drew a car and it looks amazing! Thank you for watching this video on how to draw a car for kids. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content like this.